Hi, I'm Stu, and
This is Untitled VE. In this episode, I'll show you an incredibly fast way to remove color tint from your videos in LumaFusion using the Divide blend mode.
my good friend Dani, or Manantial VE as he's known on YouTube, put out a video tutorial the other week that piqued my interest, as I used to use the Divide blend mode technique in Photoshop. So let's take a look at it in LumaFusion. Now for context, I would highly recommend you go and watch Dani's video tutorial first if you've never done this technique before, and then come back to me. I'll put a little card up in the corner and a link in the description as well. But my take on this is just to do things a little bit faster. It's not really to change the technique in any particular way. If you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know I always keep in my Photos app a white background, a green chroma key background, and a black background. So all you're going to do is, assuming you've got a white background that's the right aspect ratio, just drag it on a layer on top of the layer you want to adjust the colour. Simple as that. Press 1 on the keyboard to take yourself into frame and fit. Go down to blending and change the blend mode to divide, of course. Once we've done that, we can jump over to our colour and effects. Now we want to load up an original so that we can adjust the colour using these controls. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and then you're going to use the tint down here. So if you tap on the little circle, just make sure you're set to white just as a baseline starting point. You're then going to tap on the colour picker and you're going to drag it to what is effectively the whitest part of the video. So we'll go to here on the umbrella. Now if you've noticed, there's been a slight colour correction applied. If I switch it off here, there's before and there's after. And this is what Divide does. It basically takes your white card and it uses that to neutralise or remove any colour casts in the whites. It's a really fast and efficient way of doing a colour correction. And that is it. That is the technique. So instead of, as Dani does, going into titles, loading up a basic title and then changing it over to a white shape, this is just a faster way of doing his technique. And I just find this to be a little bit more efficient. I always keep a black, a white and a chroma key green sort of card in the Photos app, and that allows me to do things like this as fast as possible. And as you can see, if we just move things along, there's before and there's after. So the Divide technique allows you to target the whites and neutralise them and remove any colour casts. And that's it for me today. I will catch you on the next one.
If you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials every week, and ring the bell to get notified of when Stu has uploaded a new video tutorial. You have been watching. I am Stu. See you later.